how important was the Jewish aspect of those youth groups?
That's a really interesting question. I think it was important because I guess probably until that point, I hadn't made the decision for Judaism to be part of my life. It was just kind of, it just was. There wasn't, I want it, I don't want it. There wasn't, it wasn't like, no, I want to get out of here. And there wasn't like, I couldn't live without this, because that choice didn't need to be made. It was just sort of there. But I definitely enjoyed the Jewishness that was involved there. I was never a huge, prayer or anything like that. Wouldn't consider myself a very religious person. But along with that, I really always enjoyed like studying and kind of like the learning aspect of it, and way more so kind of like discussion and arguments. So along those lines, there, we'd have like meetings where we'd talk about the parsha, and but ultimately we'd end up discussing some philosophical topic about this or that, and so I liked that a lot, and it's what I always liked about my Judaic courses. So to that degree, yeah, I involved that, and also it was a level of familiarity that was involved with the Jewish youth group. So that was something I really enjoyed as well. It was just, it was a comfortable place to be.